Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I'm gonna be doing the April Boxycharm. So I got mine today actually, and basically I have a full face of the Boxycharm items. I'm really excited to tell you guys my thoughts and show you guys what I got in my box. So this is like the third time that I get the Boxycharm, so I'm really excited. And one thing that I gotta say is that it came a little bit up. I don't know how to show you since my address is like in both sides, but it's a little bit up. But nothing to worry about. Everything came really nice. Nothing's broken, so that's fine. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, I did my whole face with the Boxycharm products. Of course, you know, the other products that didn't, come in the box, then it's just my regular makeup. So before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow me on my social medias. Don't forget to click the notification bell on so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. And let's get started with the video. So something that I gotta say is that today's makeup, I feel like I look a little edgy and like kind of like Wednesday Addams type of thing. But we're going with the vibe. My hair, as you guys can see, it's kind of fading already, the purple. And yeah, I'm still having a hard time trying to get rid of that purple, but it's there. Anyways, so when I open the box, of course, this is what I see. You get the little card, and I guess this month's theme is like sweet treats or something. You have, of course, your information in the back, and this is what I get on my box, what I see. Okay, so we're gonna start with, of course, the Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette. And one thing that I gotta say is the box, I don't know why it comes in like a cardboard box that looks like that. I don't know if it's because having it in a box is more expensive. I have no idea, but that's something that I was like, that looks a little weird. But anyways, so this is how it looks. I know they had this version and the colorful one. I wish I had gotten the colorful one just because I'm more of a colorful type of girl, but you can never go wrong with neutrals. So this is how it looks. It's a little dirty because I did my makeup with it. But yeah, this is how it looks in the back. And one thing that I gotta say is that it feels really high quality. Like the packaging feels really heavy and like really sturdy and nice. And I mean, for the price, of course, it had to be really good. So these are the shades. Okay, so we have oh my god, did you guys? Oh, my heart is broken. No, why? So that just happened to me. I guess I have to contact Boxycharm to replace my palette because it broke on me. Oh my god. So yeah, I have to contact Boxycharm about that for sure because yeah. Anyways, I was trying to show you guys what I got, but this is how it looks. And that's that Natasha Denona palette. And this one is $48. So I don't know if it was just my batch, my luck, but $50. Yeah. Anyways, so I really like how it blended. Those eyeshadows are really good. I really like how they blended and everything, so I did like a smoky eye for today. Next thing is the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. So okay, so this one was a really disappointed product for me. So again, this is the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer, and it's formulated with hyaluronic acid and this one I think I got it in like a medium shade, but this is so dark for me. So I'm really sad that it doesn't work for me, because I was really looking forward to trying like a tinted moisturizer, because like I don't want to wear foundation all the time. But this is dark for me. Let me show you guys. Like, can you guys see that? That's so dark and like orange. And yeah, just definitely, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but definitely gonna skip on that. Okay, so here's another, I guess, product that I'm not really impressed with. So this is the Mali Beauty Evercolor Shadow Stick. I don't really wear shadow sticks, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. So this is how it looks. It's in the shade Timeless Taupe. So let me swatch it. So that's how it looks. It's just a weird color that I wouldn't wear at all. It's not even like brown, like I don't know. It's really creamy, I gotta say that. It's really pigmented as well. It's just like a weird shade for me. So this is $25. So yeah, I would pass on this too. Next thing is, this is the Creme Shop, what is it, Halo Lovely Powder Highlighter Trio Palette, and I guess this is alright. I did use it for my highlight today, and I mean, it's alright. It's a little powdery, but I can still work with it. I've tried the cream products before, and yeah, so I gotta say that I really like the packaging. It does feel really nice. It's really thick, and I mean, it's not as sturdy as the Natasha Denona one, but I mean, it's good quality. So this is how it looks in the bag. So the thing is that it has a highlighter that is too white, highlighter that it's like for like medium to tan skin tones, and it kind of just looks pink. And then we have a blue. Like, what am I supposed to do with the blue highlighter? But anyways, I made this shade work for my cheeks. I guess it looks nice. It looks reflective. It looks really pretty and subtle. But yeah, this is what I got. And lastly, we have another product that I'm really disappointed with. So this is the Be a Bombshell Cosmetics lip gloss, and this one is $14. I have it in the shade Pompeii. I don't even know how to say that, but this is a lip gloss, but the formula, it's so thick, so sticky, like not even that good sticky, like it's so thick on your lips. Like if you try to do this, it's just, it feels horrible. And it's kind of like it's red, but it's like a clear red. I don't know, I just don't like it. This definitely not gonna use it at all, because like I said, the formula is just really bad. I don't even know how to describe it. I just know that it's like thick and sticky, and no, because I do like sticky glosses, but when they're like comfortable and like they're lightweight on your lips, but not thick. So this, yeah, no. So I guess the only things that I really like was the eyeshadow palette and the highlight trio, I guess, but you guys know what just happened. So it's like, okay, so I don't know if I should just keep it or if I should contact Boxycharm and tell them what happened. But yeah, that just happened. But I mean, yeah, I'm not really impressed with this month's box, honestly. I feel like they could have done a little better. Also, I wish the shade range for the tinted moisturizer was a little better. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got on my Boxycharm this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll keep making these like monthly unboxing videos for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.